That was literally a 3 seconds and 19 frame video posted on the Shade Room. Yeah, the big Shade Room of Spice at the BET Awards while Megan Thee Stallion was collecting her award. So them a try to say that Spice did a cut her ear or something. You see me? I don't know where them a go with this, but it seems like them since delete the post because I look for it and I can't find it. But Spice see it and she a defend herself. Spice I make them know say, yo, nothing no go so. Maybe Spice is just tired and about a yarn or something, I don't know. By the way, if you don't know who Megan Thee Stallion is, she's one of the fastest rising female rapper right now. You see what I say? She have some hot song on the radio. I know a lot of us Caribbean and Jamaican people might not follow up hip-hop. But for the one them want to know, yeah, that's who she is. And she have song with like Nicki Minaj. She just have a song with Nicki Minaj. And some other names where it don't make sense to call if you don't know who she be. Alright, so let's get into what Spice says. So Spice made a post of her interview with CBS 46 and she said, "The noise from everyone else make it difficult to hear what I'm saying. So CBS 46, please release this interview so everyone can hear who I was most excited to see. Because I was talking about Megan Thee Stallion," and she tagged Megan Thee Stallion, "all night. Oh, I love the way she worked them ties. And I was also joking that I need a Turk battle. Shake my head. I don't know who I rolled those eyes for, but it wasn't for Meg. I know the whole mixtape. Shake my head. I must see side my band. Hashtag salt bad." So Spice did admit that she roll her eye, but she has say enough for Megan Thee Stallion. I must somebody else. You see me? But one thing, people, tell me what you really think. One thing Spice would have really come out and defend herself if she didn't know say that she had do. I believe her now because I know Spice stay. Spice is a roll her eye for Megan Thee Stallion. That she had do and that a fear word. But the fact that she come out and I say, yo, I know she me a roll me eye for. I feel like say Spice really want to know say, yo, she not have nothing against Megan Thee Stallion. You see what I say? Now, I can't understand why Spice would have want to clear her name too. Because imagine, you go cross over in a whole different genre of music, the hip-hop community, and already them a pre you say, yo, that one here a troublemaker, you know, because she a cut her ear for Megan Thee Stallion when she a get her award, and them thing there. You see me I say, no, this happened once before. Remember when time Remy Ma did up on stage? I don't know if you know that story there, but Remy Ma did up on stage and Spice did that one award show Nicki Minaj and Spice did that show Shade. Now Spice went up to that one day, you see me I say, I want to know say Spice and Nicki are friend. So Spice never back down from that one day. But now me I say Nicki and Megan are friend. Nicki and Megan Thee Stallion are friend, you know, them do song, them do music video, then go live together with you, and the two of them they all friendly and thing, and Spice know that, so why Spice would not shade Megan Thee Stallion? Other things that the Shade Room just want for us put something with dancehall superstar name. Why Shade Room a deal with? Me no know. They want to bring down Spice name already, and she not even make it the right way over there, or she for make it. You see what I say? Tell me what you think, people. Get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this one. And if you haven't like and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.